oh, we don't have much time. We got a Z8. It's true. Z8. We just outside Kai filming for me. We just outside Nikon office, and we just got this in our hand. In my hand, but at the moment. Wow, it's true. It's really true. I sometimes hear this kind of rumor. It's like, oh yeah, Z8. Oh, okay, Z10 as well. But yeah, it is true. My first impression when they put this down on the table, boom, it's like, wow, this is just exactly like, well, not exactly. It reminds me of the 700. That's how old I am. And then somebody will say, oh, that's not that old. Yeah, anyway, it reminds me of the 700. And then we have the D850 here. I mean, it's not the same, but it's really similar feeling. You feel that it's around kind of the same size, much thinner, of course, but you know that it's similar camera because it's just so solid. And if you compare it to the Z9, it's basically just the vertical grip got chopped off. There will be a vertical grip for Z8. It would be funny if you put on a vertical grip on the Z8 and then compare them. It would be like, wow. They are really similar. So if you're short of time, and basically that's it, because they are same sensor, same processor, the specs are same. They are the same. They are just the same. You might see there's looks like a shutter here, but it's not a shutter. It's just a dust cover. No mechanical shutter, all electronic, and virtually no rolling shutter. It's just my guess. It's just my best guess that technically that's rolling shutter, but in reality, it's so little you can't see it from photo anyway. So yeah, they are the same. I mean, you can check out my video, Z9 video. Click that. Well, after this, they are the same, basically. So what's the difference? There are some difference, of course. You can see a difference. It's smaller and much lighter, obviously, but also it's lighter than the D850, not D810. I mean, the mirror is really, really heavy, as you know. One difference is they don't have this dial. I mean, I would prefer they have this on the Z8, but because even the D850 got it as well. I love this. More dials is better, more small. But on D8, you have to just have to press a drive button to change it. Screen is also like that, that, just like a Z9. The battery, I mentioned the battery. The Z9 battery, obviously a bigger one. This is 56 watt hour. But the Z8 is just 16 watt hours, so that's the difference. And it is still the same battery, the same EL15 battery, all the way back to, I don't know, the 500? I don't know.
It's a long time ago.
It's a long time. One more thing is that now it has dual USB-C. Only one USB on the Z9, dual USB. So you can charge it and then you can still connect it to your computer or something like that. Actually not a really new thing, Sony have it for a long time, but yeah. But the Z9 got Ethernet port. If you want Ethernet, that's alright, because you can use one of those USB-C to Ethernet adapter, and it doesn't have to be by Nikon as well. It could be any USB-C Ethernet adapter. I don't even know if Nikon make one. I mentioned same processor, same sensor, so the AF system is exactly the same as well.
So it can also do maximum 120 frames per second, limited to 11 megapixel JPEG, but playing back one frame at a time, this is just a slow motion movie. But I have shown you last time at the Lotus headquarters in UK, 20 frames per second shooting raw photos. Same on the Z8. Also it do 8K, 4K 50/60 or up to 4K 100 or 120 frames per second. Exactly the same as Z9. So that's it really. This is a lot of camera, but then not much to talk about because it's exactly the same as Z9 almost. So there you go.
Thumbnail. So that's it. Z8 thumbnail shot. We're getting a thumbnail. Oh.